Hello and good morning to all. Welcome to your DSS online class. Today I am discuss about app. I hope you are safe at home. Well, today I will start app development. Okay? So, now let's start. Introduction to apps. The word app is an abbreviation for application. App is a small software or program that can be downloaded and installed easily. Some apps are free while others must be purchased. Mobile apps can be downloaded from two places, Google Play Store and second one is Apps Store. Well, now types of apps. There are three types of apps as we can see in the image. First in native apps, second hybrid app, and third is web app. Now native apps. A native application is a software program that is developed for use on a particular platform or device. Second, native apps can work offline. Code cannot be reused for other platform. For example, we can see in the image calendar, camera, contact, calculator. Are these applications are available on your phone. So this is the example for native apps. Okay, now और इसको यूज़ करने के लिए हमको इंटरनेट की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है, राइट? ओके. Next one is web app. A web app is an application program that is stored on a remote server. It means this program is stored on server which is placed anywhere in world. Okay. These are accessed through the web browser. Obviously हम वेब ब्राउज़र के थ्रू ही एक्सेस कर पाते हैं. वेब मीन्स क्या होता है? इंटरनेट होता है ना, तो इंटरनेट से ही हम एक्सेस कर पाते हैं. देयर आर रिटन इन HTML5, जावास्क्रिप्ट और CSS. यू नो HTML हाइपर टेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज. जो भी इसका कोड लिखते हैं ये भी हमारा रन करता है, हमारा वेब ब्राउज़र पे ही रन करता है. जावा आप लोगों ने 8 में नहीं पढ़ा, आई थिंक हम इस बार नहीं पढ़े होंगे, लेकिन था. तो जावा स्क्रिप्ट एक कोडिंग आती है जो वो भी रन होती है आपकी वेब ब्राउज़र पे. CSS भी होता है, ये भी रन होता है आपका वेब ब्राउज़र पे. सो ये सारे सॉफ्टवेयर वेब पे ही रन करें. वेब मतलब इंटरनेट पे ही एक्सेस होते हैं. Now next one is web apps are really websites that are designed to display well or smaller devices or multiple platforms. It means they are simply the website which is we can run on mobile phone. They are the smaller devices and we can run any website. It means it is the web apps. Okay, now next one is hybrid apps. A hybrid apps is a software application that is mixture of both native and web apps. मतलब दोनों का क्या है, ये मिक्स है. Hybrid apps are basically web apps that have been put in a native app shell. It means mixture of both means it contain both. मतलब दोनों का क्या होता है, मिक्स है ये. ठीक है, कंटेंट क्या करता है, दोनों को साथ लेके चलता है. नाउ सेकेंड पॉइंट, हाइब्रिड ऐप इज बेसिकली वेब एप्स दैट हैव बीन पुट इन नेटिव ऐप सेल. इट मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंस्टाग्राम इज ऐप दैट कैन रन ऑन iOS also and Android mobiles also. So it is a hybrid apps. Now next is classification of mobile apps. There are 7 different categories of apps. Game apps. These apps are fun and interactive tools for kids and youth. Okay, for example PUBG, Angry Birds, Temple Run, etc. You must be use PUBG. It is the very popular game, PUBG. Next is a news app. They are very popular these days as you get all news update on your mobile phones through the news app. For example, Google News and weather. You can use BuzzFeed, Reddit, etc. Next one is lifestyle apps. These apps are used to enhance your lifestyle and to make everyday living easier. These apps are related to fitness, food and drink, music, travel, etc. For example, Uber, Zomato. Uber is a traveler app. Zomato is a food and drink app, and Spotify is music app. Okay, now next is entertainment apps. These apps are designed to entertain as us anytime, anywhere, with or without internet. Through these apps, you can watch video, listen to audio, etc. For example, Netflix, YouTube, Hotstar, etc. Next one is utility apps. These apps are handy tools that you use most often in your daily life. Many of them come pre-installed on your device. For example, calculator, reminders, flashlight, etc. Next one is banking and finance apps. These apps help you to do all bank and money related activities from home without physically going to bank. For example, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, etc. करते हो ना ये सारा कुछ. Now second one is last one. Next one is not last. Next, I think last year. Next one is social networking apps. People build their social networks and share about their day-to-day lives and activities through these apps. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, etc. Okay. Next one is uses of common apps. There are two most commonly used category apps. Firstly, educational apps. These apps are mostly useful for students, parents and teachers. It provides easy study material, for example, Byju's, Prozo, NCERT solutions. Okay. Second category is social networking apps. It is an online environment for social relationship. People share about their day-to-day lives and activities through these apps. For example, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Okay. Next one is install apps from Google Play Store. How to install? Select Google Play Store icon. Select search bar to search any apps like PUBG. Select to app to be downloaded. Select the option install. After reviewing terms and conditions and select accept. Now click open button to open the apps. Okay. Now next one is website for free apps development. Okay. First is AppyPie. AppyPie is an app builder to make an app without any coding or too many clicks. We start by choosing our apps category and then a basic layout. We can adjust text, color, photos, media and more. Okay. ऐसे करिएगा, देखिएगा AppyPie मिलता है तो. ओके. App Maker is easy to use. In this, we are able to drag icon directly from a menu of choices. We can change the looks of icon and customize background image. Third one is App Institute. It is a user-friendly online apps builder. We start with selecting a templates like sell stuff, get booking, etc. Then choose category like restaurant, coffee shop, etc. Okay. Next one is create your own app in AppyPie. Okay, how to create? Go through, follow these steps. Open browser and type appypie.com. On home page of AppyPie, click on create app. It will show these steps: start, design and save. Okay, now next fill app details and click on save and continue. They will send your app link on your email ID. Open the link and टेस्ट योर ऐप. ओके, इस तरीके से आप ऐप को डिज़ाइन कर सकते हो. ओके, इस तरीके से अपना खुद का आप ऐप क्रिएट कर सकते हो. क्रिएट करिए और देखिए कैसे क्रिएट होता है. थैंक यू क्लास. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज नेक्स्ट क्लास. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस डे.